Hi, Russell Montgomery here with Serenity Knives, and you're about to watch Jake do a video of not only testing this Lulucut knife, but also performing, building a Carpacio for us. So what this knife is, this is a Lulucut Katana Series. It is made out of a 69 layer AUS 10 cord knife. They're not new on the scene. They've been making knives for other companies for 17 years, and they're just started rebranding their knives under their own brand. So this is a company that works closely with Kaiser, who we've worked closely with in the past. They have one of our pocket knife designs that they sell, and so we really wanted to give these knives a go, see what they're doing. So look forward to this video, and then we're going to be doing this with other knives of theirs as well, testing the durability, the edge retention of some of their new kitchen knives, and we'll be updating you with reviews towards the end of the video as well. So enjoy this and have a great day.
What's up, guys? We're going to be testing out these Lulucut knives. Hopefully we're able to do some business in the future. We're going to test them all out, and today I'm going to make a like a tie snapper Carpacio. I get a cut on each side to the spine. Flip it over. Go to the rib cage, cut through. And we're going to finish on the other side. This snapper was from Blue Horizon, local fish guy. Been buying fish from him for a very long time. Here's, I'm going to clean these fillets. Get the rib cage off. Take the skin. Make sure we don't leave anything. Oops. We're going to get long strips. This knife is very sharp, I will say that. We don't want this bloodline for this application, so we'll take the bloodline out. Don't have to be too crazy with the knife for this, because we're gonna be pressing this onto a plate anyways.
What dish are you making, Jake?
Carpacio. Kind of get it all lined up.
And why is this important?
Huh?
Why is precedent important?
Because it'll allow you to kind of get everything all. The thing with crudos and stuff is that you really want to get everything in one bite, because everything that's going on this kind of complements each other. So if you don't, you'll have uneven eating.
I see.
And then usually you have like there's like a fish weight that you can pound this down with, but I don't have anything like that, so. And also, like in a restaurant aspect, you can do, this is all done before service, so it's a little bit easier to have ready on hand. Because just like I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push this down, and then I'm gonna keep it wrapped. I can just stack it like this and put it in the fridge until I'm ready for it. It also looks pretty cool when you can really like smush it down. It almost looks like stained glass. And it's a really good way to use all your fish scrap. You can take this carcass and get a spoon. If you don't clean it as good as I do, there's usually meat right here. So you'll scrape, and you can use all that for this so you don't waste anything.
Yeah, I mean, the SD card is still empty. It's still showing.
Okay. That can go in the fridge.
Okay.
So now we're going to make the sauce.
The preparation.
Going to save some of that zest. Then we're going to get the segments that are in there. Now we can go in separate holes. I'm just gonna give this a little chopperooski. Thank you, sir. Okay, we're gonna do ginger. I like to just use the spine. You don't need a peeler to do ginger. Just need a manageable piece. Jalapeno. I want to get this as thin as possible. I don't really want the seeds, so I'm trying to get as many slices as I can without until I hit those. Then I'm going to shock those in ice water. That will take some of the punch out of them. And since I cut the jalapenos this way, I'm going to cut these a different way. Same thing, you want them as thin as you can. We're going to drop those in ice water. And that'll take a lot of the punch. That'll be Thai herbs. So it's basil, mint, cilantro. It's classic. Really goes well with the grapefruit. I usually do equal part mint to basil, half part cilantro. Kind of roll these up. Not too crazy and not too hard. I don't want to crush them. But I'm only going to cut them one time. So I want my cuts to be pretty small. I think that'll be good. Kind of roll it up gently. Only cut it once. Even if it's a little ununiform, that's okay. Just here, not. Nobody's perfect. Now we have the sauce. Virgin olive oil, just a little bit. A bit of honey. A little bit of rice wine vinegar. Some tamari. And a little bit of the herbs that we took. We're going to save some for plating. Yeah.
Oh, where is it? So they're literally right under here.
This all.
Okay.
So the knife from Lulucut performed really well, very sharp and held a good edge throughout the whole thing. Granted, I didn't do anything too rough other than separating the rib cage from the snapper. We thought it was going to be a little bit too heavy, but after using it, you know, it kind of balances out in the hand pretty centrally balanced. Even though it's a hidden tang, it feels like a full weight, a full tang knife. But yeah, really comfortable pinch grip, performed very well.